In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV transactions into Monarch Money with an easy to follow tutorial. First, let's begin by navigating to the Monarch Money website. You'll want to ensure you're logged in to access your dashboard. Once there, head over to the transactions page where the magic happens. This is your hub for keeping track of all your financial activities. Now, take a look at the top of the page and locate the Add Transactions button. This is your starting point for the process, so go ahead and give it a click. When the new transaction form appears, you'll see various fields that need to be filled out. Let's start with the amount. This is crucial for keeping your finances accurate. Ensure you enter the correct numerical value without any extra spaces or commas, especially considering how precise your financial records need to be. Next up, you'll need to type in the merchant's name. This could be where you made a purchase, paid a bill, or any entity you paid. Accurately recording this information helps you keep track of where your money goes, which is particularly useful when reviewing your monthly spending. After that, it's time to select the date of the transaction. The date ensures your transaction history is updated correctly and aligns with any bank statements or receipts you might compare it to in the future. Moving on, choose the category that best fits the transaction. Categorizing your expenses properly is essential for budgeting and analyzing spending habits. Whether it's groceries, entertainment, or utilities, accurate categorization can provide insights into where you might be able to save money. Furthermore, you have the option to choose a goal that relates to this transaction. Perhaps you're planning a vacation or saving for a new gadget. Linking transactions to specific goals keeps you motivated and aware of progress toward those goals. Now, you can also add notes if there's any extra detail you want to remember about the transaction. Maybe it was a special occasion or part of a larger purchase. These notes can be valuable when you look back and try to piece together your spending patterns. Once all the information is in place, click Add Transactions to save this entry. Congratulations, the transaction is now part of your records. To ensure everything is accurately reflected, click the transaction you just created. This step is also where you can attach any relevant documents like receipts or invoices. It's always a good practice to keep corresponding paperwork on file in case you need to reference it later. Simply click on Add an Attachment to upload the file from your computer. And there you have it, a detailed walkthrough on importing CSV transactions into Monarch Money. This method helps you stay on top of your finances with ease and efficiency. Keep enjoying the simplicity and effectiveness of Monarch Money for your financial management needs.